In today's busy lifestyle, we forget a healthy life. And we all feel lazy and tired for the whole day because of our wrong eating habits and living habits. But we can change it with some healthy morning habits regarding our health. Why are morning rituals so important? Well, because morning is the most delicate time compared to the rest of the day. For some, their morning starts with a cup of tea, and for some, it begins with a workout routine. Whatever your case may be, it can impact your weight loss journey. Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss some healthy morning habits that can help in quick weight loss. But before starting the video, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Sometimes we don't realize the power of little efforts. Daily habits can either make us or break us, especially when it comes to the mornings. Did you know we can burn 20% of our body fat by exercising in the morning on an empty stomach? This is because an empty stomach produces energy to keep you going during an exercise session, because of which body starts burning fat. This helps to lose fat quicker. Not just exercise, what you eat when you wake up and what you do in the morning, all of this matters when it comes to weight loss. So let's begin with morning habits that boost our weight loss journey. Wake up early. Waking up early does not mean that you should compromise on your sleep. Always get enough sleep if you want to lose weight. Along with that, follow the early to bed and early to rise tip for weight loss. After a restful night's sleep, wake up and follow your morning routine to kickstart your day by avoiding your phone, making a healthy breakfast, and getting ready for the day. Having a healthy start will keep you going for the entire day. Sit in sunlight. Apart from keeping our bones strong, sunlight has vitamin D, which is essential for weight loss. Go to bed early, and when you wake up, sit in the sunlight for a few minutes to consume natural vitamin D. Soaking in sunlight in your morning will help you feel more energetic and healthier. Plus, it will always keep your hormonal changes on track, helping in weight loss. Follow a workout routine. According to a study in the journal Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise, people who exercise in morning tend to lose more weight and are less distracted by food, because of which they can follow a healthy diet. Regular morning exercise can boost your weight loss, helping your body functions to work properly and bringing agility and energy to the body. Drink plenty of water. Don't make the mistake of skipping water in the morning. What you drink first in the morning matters. Water is essential for our bodily functions, boosting metabolism and flushing out the toxins from the body. This allows your body to burn more calories. Along with that, water keeps the body hydrated and makes you less hungry. You can either drink plain water or lemon water, though lemon water is a better choice if you are trying to lose weight. Consume a protein-rich breakfast. No matter how busy your morning is, never skip your breakfast and eat a breakfast that is high in protein. Because if you are on a diet, what you eat is important, and a protein-rich diet helps to curb appetite and boost metabolism. Along with that, protein also helps in building your muscles and keep your body stronger. You can consume eggs, milk, cottage cheese, lentils, almonds, tofu, peanuts, and Greek yogurt. Practice mindfulness. When you are under stress, your body releases cortisol, which is a stress hormone. Cortisol can lead to weight gain. So to avoid stress, practice mindfulness regularly. According to the American Psychological Association, mindfulness can help to relieve stress, boost energy, memory, and enhance focus. And this means no stress, no weight gain. Weigh yourself. For the best result, weigh yourself right when you wake up in the morning. Determining your weight every morning will help you understand which of your routines and activities are helping you lose weight and which are not. A study published in 2016 in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietitians says that dieters who weigh themselves daily lose about 3 times more weight compared with people who weigh themselves less frequently. Make a meal plan for the day. Every morning, write up a quick list of what you will be eating for that day. Planning meals ahead of time can help you choose lower-calorie foods. If you have already decided what to eat for your day's snacks and meals, you may be less likely to reach for high-calorie convenience food like fast food burgers or fries. Use a juice glass. Most standard drinking glasses are far larger than a serving of juice. That makes it easy to consume more than you should. And many fruit juices have as much sugar in them as a can of soda. but they can also have a lot of vitamins and minerals that are great for you as you start your day. To pour a more sensible portion, use a small juice glass. Don't dress up your coffee. Do you have your dessert in your coffee cup each morning? Specialty coffees with lots of added sugar, cream or flavored syrups can add up to more than 500 calories each. Use skimmed milk or sugar-free flavors instead, or try green tea for a morning jolt. It has catechins, and catechins promote weight loss. Pack your lunch and snacks. Before you leave the house for the day, pack yourself a healthy lunch and low-calorie snacks like fresh fruits and low-fat cheese. You will be prepared to eat a sensible meal when hunger strikes later on, and you won't reach for junk food. Choose fiber-rich foods like whole grain crackers to keep you feel fuller for longer. Change your commute. Long car rides every day can lead to weight gain. More time spent sitting behind the wheel cuts down how much you walk every day, so you burn fewer calories. Use traffic apps to find a shorter route. Try to park a few blocks away and walk the rest of your destination. Get enough sleep. Very less sleep each night can fuel your appetite all day long, which can lead to weight gain. You may also be more likely to skip your workout if you are not rested properly. Make sure you catch your enough Z's every night. Stick to your regular bedtime and find ways to control your stress so you can relax and snooze until it's time to get up. Now here's hoping that you understood these points and will follow these morning habits for weight loss. If you liked this video, then share it with your friends, families and others. For more videos like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, take care of yourself and have a good time. See you in a new video with a new topic.